Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can export your sheets and dashboards on Smartsheet as Microsoft Excel files or tables, for example. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Smartsheet account, and here from the home section, guys, navigate to all workspaces and select the workspace, project workspace you would like to go with. So let me go with this one here. After that, open up the sheet or dashboard you would like to share. Let me go with this one. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do is click into File here. And from that menu, simply select Export, hover your mouse over it. After that, choose Export to Microsoft Excel. There you go. After that, the given project sheet will be downloaded as an XLSX file. So that you may open it via Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, for instance. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.